Okay. At the inhibition of CSF1R. So basically, this is colony stimulating factor 1 receptor. So this is a tyrosine kinase that causes macrophage differential. The natural ligands of this receptor are interleukin 34 and cytokine CSF1. It's a proto-oncogene. So overexpression of CSF1 leads to overactivation of CSF1R, which leads to synovial giant cell tumors, which is TGCT. So basically, macrophages make up this tumor. It's not really life-threatening, unless in a bad area, but it is painful. So the two mutants that were used in this were D802V and then F828S. These were linked to the tumorigenesis of the cancer, but also they show drug resistance to the FDA-approved drug, which is Pexidartinib. It's FDA approved for the inhibition of CSF1. It's toxic to the liver. So basically, we're looking for new inhibitors that bind better to the mutants and is less toxic to the liver. So what we did is we prepared the ligands and stuff for the high throughput screening, virtual screening. So we did the lick prep, we did the receptor grid. These were used to show the resistance in the mutants, which can be seen at the chart at the bottom. The docking scores were lower in the mutants. Then we did the high throughput virtual screening to find inhibitors. These were the ones I found on this side. These were the top 5 from my database. These were the ones from the chem informatics student. They did the zinc database. So basically the proposal is to find the IC50 values of these compounds on the wild type and mutants to see the potency of these drugs. But we also want to look at the toxicity of the compounds to find a better drug. So to start off, you got to find the IC50 value of the wild type with the FDA-approved drug, which can be done with the ATP Luminescence kit and assay using differing concentrations of the drug and the compounds we're using. And these will be performed on the mutants and the wild type. And basically, you can find a drug that is potent and less toxic. You're also going to have to run toxicity tests on different cell types to see how toxic these compounds are. And that's all I got.
Whose turn? Your turn.
TGCT, which is giant cell tumors, basically. It's the type of cancer.
Okay, my question is simple. Then that tumor on which part of our body?
Do forget. I think they said it was like in the stomach, somewhere in like the digestive system. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay, very good. So